unlocking iPhones with chip signal in just one click. Our tool is so good that this video is only 6 minutes long. Watch until the end. And first of all, you need to disable the antivirus to avoid any type of error in our tool. You come here to Windows, Settings, open this screen, come here to the magnifying glass, type CU. Now come here, Windows Security Settings. Open Windows Security. Come here on the shield, click on the shield. Manage Settings, you will click here. And disable all these options here. You can disable everything. Disable all of this here, so you don't have any type of error when using our tool. Turn off all these settings. Now, for your computer or notebook to be able to recognize your iPhone, you will need to install 2 standard programs. The first of these is 3 Tools. It is necessary to install all drivers on your computer.
Para ele conseguir estar reconhecendo.
Using 3 Tools itself, you will be able to install iTunes. Install both before starting because they are extremely important to avoid errors and for your computer to recognize the device correctly. Finally, to start the process, you will only need our powerful tool, Dark RAM Disk. Remembering that all the links are in the video description, just click, download and install normally on your computer as you would install anything else. Now that you've done everything that needed to be done, just open the tool. It will open with this wonderful interface. Now let's connect the iPhone to your computer. iPhone connected. As you can see, it will show all the information about your iPhone up here. And here are all the options it makes. To start the unlocking process on your device, first, your iPhone needs to be registered with our tool. Dark, how do I register? Very simple. Do you see this information here? Click on it. It's demand. The tool will automatically copy. Needs copied. Open your preferred browser or Google or Explore, whatever. Open the browser, come here and type darktechdonis.com.
techdonis.com.
Press enter. You will land here on our official page, scroll down here, scroll a little more, dark RAM disk with chip sign. See all. Here are all supported models. Only these models that are here are supported in our tool. Choose yours according to your model. Mine is 7. I'm going to click here. I'm going to go down a little. Type here Control V. Paste the ECID. Go to Buy. Finish with. Then you enter your details and make the payment. Payment made successfully. How long does it take for my iPhone to be registered with your tool? It's instantaneous. It's 100% instant. You made the payment in a matter of 3 seconds, and your iPhone will already be registered in our tool. This goes for any day. Weekday, weekend, Sunday, holiday, anytime too. If you want to register in the early hours of the morning, the registration automatically takes 3 seconds, so you don't have a headache. Purchase made successfully. You do not need to wait for any type of notification. As soon as you make the payment, your iPhone will already be registered. And if you come back here in the tool, click on Hello Bypass with Sign, just wait. It will automatically put your iPhone into recover mode. And after that, just follow the information that will appear on the screen now. If your iPhone is from 7 to X, the process will be the same as mine, the power and less. Now, if it's the 6 or 6 plus, the only thing that changes is that it's the power and home button. But as mine is on the 7 and it's here, so let's go. Start. I held down the power and minus. When the 4 seconds are 0, I'll go raise your finger or just let go. I only released the power button. I continued holding it less until the 10 seconds were reached. You have started the tool. You can at least release it now too. Now just let the tool, our powerful tool, do its magic. You no longer need to touch the iPhone or touch anything. Activation completed successfully. The iPhone is now unlocked and ready to use. As I said, there's no secret. With our powerful tool, any type of person, anyone, of any age, with any type of knowledge, can unlock their iPhone in just one click.
Aqui.
So that's it, guys. Leave your like, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can call us on WhatsApp.
Todos os links na descrição do vídeo, inclusive o WhatsApp também. Então, até a próxima. Um abraço.